In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on ETH future while talking about Ethereum cost figure for 2023, and then some. Kindly remember that you ought to believe this and some other forecast with some hesitancy, since foreseeing anything is an unpleasant undertaking, not to mention anticipating the eventual fate of a novel, exceptionally unpredictable monetary resource like Ethereum. Presently, we should head into it. Before we dive profound into the Ethereum value forecast and answer questions on the off chance that ETH is a wise speculation or not, for what reason will ETH succeed or fall flat? Or for what reason will Ethereum value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what is ETH and its to-date history. Ethereum value forecast. The entire crypto world is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its untouched high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of enormous industry players, FTX, Celsius, Luna and so forth into the situation, the horizon is dinky and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers are selling unsafe resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an exceptionally unsafe play, and consequently the auction. Our algo still sees us some green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2023 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the far off and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days, with a sprinkle of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a common and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost forecast model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and major evaluation of each task. Essentials that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few other exclusive elements created in our crypto lab. 2023-0301 plus 5.33% dollar, 1,780.63, 2023-0302 plus 3.39% dollar, 1,747.97, 2023-0303 plus 7.81% dollar, 1,822.64, 2023-0304 plus 7.27% dollar, 1,813.56, 2023-0305, 0.96% dollar, 1,674.30, 2023-0306, plus 6.39% dollar, 1,798.69, 2023-0307, plus 7.08% dollar, 1,810.27, 2023-0308, plus 3.13% dollar, 1,743.58, 2023-0309, 0.70% dollar, 1,678.81, 2023-0310, plus 6.43% dollar, 1,799.37. Ethereum value forecast 2023 high expansion and very dangerous large-scale circumstance pondered vigorously Bitcoin cost in 2022. At the point when we take the interior crypto issues with enormous players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 isn't looking excessively great for the bulls. We will presumably see a great deal of exhausting sideways cost activity, with an inclination to slip lower with every minor market quake. Expectation model brings market feeling into a record and responds in like manner. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of the last a long time of 2022 and 2023. 2023, blemish, plus 0.75% dollar. 1,703.35, 2023, April 2.38% dollar, 1,650.32, 2023 plus 1.62% dollar, 1,718.00, 2023, June, plus 7.04% dollar, 1,809.58, 2023, July plus 10.59% dollar, 1,869.58, 2023, August plus 14.89% dollar, $1,942.35 2023. September plus 21.85% $2060.01 2023. October plus 23.59% $2089.40 2023. November plus 23.76% $2092.26 2023. December plus 32.39% $2,238.11 2024. January plus 46.97% $2,484.66 2024. February plus 44.00% $2,434.45. ETH value expectation 2025. Our expectation model sees ETH coming to $14,065.69 in 2025. What will ETH be worth in 5 years? The cost of ETH in 5 years could lie around $3,724.70. Ethereum value forecast 2030-2040. What Ethereum will be worth in 2030? Our determining model sees Ethereum coming to $35,164.22 in 2030. What Ethereum will be worth in 2040? Our anticipating model sees Ethereum coming to $70,328.44 in 2040. Is Ethereum worth purchasing? We are promoters of decently dangerous money management. Put the majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, half 35% in a bin of large cap coins, and the rest in little ventures with tremendous potential gain. Along these lines, in this specific circumstance, Ethereum merits purchasing. Is Ethereum a wise venture? Ethereum is, very much like any remaining digital forms of money, a hazardous speculation. It has higher likelihood of going up than down due to the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. What amount will Ethereum be worth? For the transient future, it could reach $1,460.67. In the long haul, 8 to 10 years, it could leap to $35,164.22 or significantly higher. For what reason will Ethereum succeed and become more expensive? Ethereum has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. These are an essential for progress, and to that end our expectation model sees Ethereum ascending to $35,164.22 in 2030. For what reason will Ethereum come up short and drop in cost? Crypto projects come up short because of multiple factors. The absolute most normal ones are: group denounces any kind of authority and leaves the undertaking, controllers proclaim it unlawful, and press trades to delist it, absence of media consideration. More fruitful contenders, absence of very much planned showcasing technique, losing local area support, possible weakness in the convention, neglecting to accomplish expected least development movement on the convention, neglecting to draw in new engineers to expand on their foundation. How high will Ethereum go? Our determining model sees Ethereum value detonating and coming to $70,328.